welcome back to our channel. Hope all of you are doing well. We are at the Bergen Towers today, which is also called the Salal Mohammed Fort Towers. These are watchtowers that were built in the late 19th century and was later renovated in the year 1910 by Sheikh Mohammed bin Jassim Al Thani. We are moving towards the towers now. The Bergen Towers are situated on a low hill called the Jebel Lusail in the town of Salal Mohammed. This is about 10 kilometers from the coast and 15 kilometers north of Doha, the capital. It's very windy here today. You can make that out from my hair. We are now at the rooftop of the mosque. From here we can see the other structures. You see in front of me is the Majlish area. This is the Western Towers, which is also called the Barzan Towers, and these is the Eastern Tower. This is the Majlish, which is a room for receiving guests. This was built as an L-shaped pavilion with windows for ventilation. See the roof here. These are 4-layer roofs.
Heading to the top of the Majlish.
I'm in front of the Bergen Tower, the Western Tower now. So these towers are 16 meters in height, and they were restored by the Qatar authorities in the year 2003. We will now go inside the towers to the rooftop and show you the view from there.
First floor of Barzan Tower.
The towers were originally built with coral rock and limestone cementing, with structures featuring Qatari traditional designs. It's so windy here today. The steps here are all wooden steps. This is a small area here. You can see windows, and we see some eggs here. A bird's nest. Wow. So let's go to the rooftop.
Mind your head.
Oh,
It's quite dark.
it's quite dark and very narrow passage.
I'm lighting my torch. Wow.
Oh. The door also is so tiny. The structures features traditional Qatari designs and building methods, including marazim, which is the wooden drains. You see one here. These are the drains for draining out the rainwater during storms away from the building walls. Let's go to the next tower now. We are now at the second tower, which is the eastern tower. We now need to take these stairs to go to the rooftop. We are at the top of the eastern tower now. There are several purposes behind building the Barzan Towers. It was used as an observant eye on the pearl divers. Then it was again used as a lookout point for the approaching ships. And also it was an observatory for keeping track of the moon.
Today we have with us Mr. Mohammed. He is the caretaker of this property and has been here for almost 30 years. And he helped us explore this place.
बुर्ज बरजान है।
कुछ बोलेंगे इसके बारे में? आप कितने साल हो?
हमको 30 साल है।
30 साल।
हाँ।
कैसा लग रहा है? ये प्लेस में आते हैं विजिटर्स?
बहुत आदमी आता है।
हाँ।
दिन में 30, 40, 50 आता है।
गर्मी के दिन में थोड़ा कम होंगे।
गर्मी कहाँ, लेकिन ठंडी में अभी स्कूल बंद है, आदमी
अभी
ज़्यादा
ज़्यादा
है।
है।
What's the opening hours?
सुबह यानी 8 बजे खुला है, मगरिब 6 बजे बंद करता है।
So this place is open from 8 a.m. in the morning till 6 p.m. till the Maghrib time. And Friday, Saturday open?
ओपन है।
It's open on Fridays and Saturdays as well.
जाएगा, आएगा, ओपन करेगा। जुम्मा का दिन यानी वो सब्त का दिन चली सुबह 8 बजे फिर 6 बजे मगरिब में क्लोज करेगा.
Okay. सही है. Thank you, Mr. Mohammed. Thank you.
Here we end our tour of the historic Barzan Towers. If you are in Qatar and looking for a quiet and offbeat place, this definitely can be one of them. Until we catch up again, bye bye.